Hi guys, welcome back with my new video. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to set header and footer in Microsoft Word. The header in Microsoft Word is show any title that you want to show off the top paper. This is my example here. There is my course book. And I want to show the title, the word Microsoft Office Word in my header. And I set only one paper. It will to show all page in my file. And after you know that about the header, I will to show you how to set footer on the numbers page in this video. Alright, do it all together to set the header in Microsoft Word. First, click Insert, and next click Header. And after, choose one style of the header, and add your title in the header, please. And if you want to edit your text here, select the text and click on Home. And choose color that you want to change. So now, color is changed. So after, if you want to show the border below the text, select the text here and then click on border bottoms and choose the first style. The line will show below the text here. And if you want to change the color border, you just select the text and click this button. And I click border and setting button, this one. And after, click this button and choose the any color that you want to show. And click OK. Click this button to change your color border. Okay, now it changed. And if you want to leave from header, click on header format. And click on this button, close header. Okay, now we check the result with the second page. So I scroll down. So this is the header that I set at the moment, and it show continue to second page and third page. It means that only one set will show all page. And one more, if you want to edit your header, you just double click on the side and you can add your title more. And I click this button for leave from the header. Okay, with the header I finished. We go on how to set footer in Microsoft Word here. The footer, I want to show the page number of page. So first, I click on Insert. And next, I click on Footer buttons. And I choose this style. So now we will see that the footer show at the bottom of page, and you can edit the footer also. Here, this is the title. I type the ictshare.me, and you can put any title that you want to show at the footer. And if you want to leave from a footer, you just click on this button and click on close this button. Okay, now with the header and footer is already preset in Microsoft Word. So the last one, I want to show you how to delete header and footers in Microsoft Word. So first, click on Insert if you want to remove, and click on Header first and click on Delete Header. So the header will remove after you clear it. And next, if you want to remove the footer, so the same header also. First, click on Footer and click on Delete Footer buttons. So the footer will delete after you click this button. So with the header and footer is ready. I have one exercise to give you. I think that you can preset with the header and footer this. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.